the ritual of Kevin Garnett, the rosin in honor of Michael Jordan, what he used to do to Johnny Red Kerr in Chicago before the games, and go over and tap his heart for all of his friends. Today's his 28th birthday. What a wonderful gift it would be for him. And again, to look at Sam Cassell, 3 of 16 the last 5 games from the three-point line. He's struggling getting lift on his shot, and I guarantee you Sacramento is going to test him defensively here early to see how well he's moving.
Game 7 records all-time for the Kings franchise, and the first ever 7th game. The Timberwolves played a 5th and deciding game back in '98 in the first round against the Seattle Supersonics. Our officials tonight: Dick Bavetta, Bennett Salvatore, and Tom Washington, a veteran crew. Shot clock is at 8 for Garnett.
And I can tell you, for Kevin Garnett, that feels good.
And Bibby's got to perform for Sacramento, but he turns it over right there. Here comes Garnett. Kings back on defense. Sam Cassell. Garnett.
Now Kevin shooting the ball with great rhythm. He hit his first shot on the floor. He stepped out, hit 2 open jump shots. Really in a nice rhythm.
Hassel with the later right to Stojakovic.
Open mid-range jumper, getting the ball into the heart of the defense, and Garnett finding the open man.
And Garnett over Weber. And a foul on Chris Weber. And Christie for 2. Stojakovic with an offensive rebound and a dish to Christie inside. Garnett knocking it away and finally taking it out of the air. A 4-on-1. And Sprewell can't catch up with the pass.
Well, Sprewell tried to do something before he caught the basketball. It looked like he was looking back. But look at Garnett. He just sort of bluffs at the shot block there. And then he goes up and catches the ball out of the air. Watch him go up. Rides the top of the elevator and just takes the ball out of the air.
Garnett held by Weber, no call made. Even Divac gave a little bump and still no call, but the MVP's got 11. We may have had some nervous energy to begin the game as Garnett puts up a beauty inside. And Minnesota is back up by 8. We may have had some nervous energy to begin the game, but to begin the second half, it has been a race. Garnett with Divac and Stojakovic there.
It's a mismatch there. Vlade is going to try to keep his body in front of him, but normally you get help, and that time Garnett spun away from the double team and was one-on-one with Vlade. That's a no contest.
It's Bibby, 2 of 7. Rejected by Kevin Garnett. Shot clock at 10. Christie, Bibby for 3. Good! Sprewell around Weber. And Garnett with a rebound. He's got 15.
The will to win. Kevin Garnett.
A trap Hoiberg. Garnett into Trent, who missed his shot right underneath as the third quarter was coming to a close. And Christie for the tie. And here comes Hoiberg with Cassell. Nice feed, Serbia to Garnett.
This guy's got energy. He's going to need it all to close this.
And Kevin Garnett.
Why not?
Garnett again.
When he plays well, look what it does to the rest of his team. It's like a shot of adrenaline.
Garnett.
Great pass and a wonderful finish.
Kevin Garnett.
Well, he just crossed over and left Chris Weber standing in his wake. Nobody on the weak side to help.
Shot clock is down to 5. And Miller's got Garnett way outside. Oh, what a shot by Kevin Garnett!
Happy birthday.
Sal picks up the foul on Miller after Weber couldn't get it, and hobbling is Chris Weber.
Well, Sam Cassell dribbled out the whole clock, a line drive. That's one of those trolley wire threes. That's that flat shot he had when he first came into the league. But isn't that the last 13 points in a row now by Kevin Garnett?
And Kevin Garnett has taken the steal. And he stepped out of bounds because he was shoved, moving into the defense of Stojakovic, who picks up his fourth foul.
If Minnesota goes on to win this game, it's because this guy would not let his team lose.
He's got a 14-point fourth quarter. Does Kevin Garnett. Christie to Tom. Caught by Miller. Rejected by Garnett.
See, Miller's got to kick that ball out. That's where you get a three on an offensive rebound.
Weber for the tie. And the Minnesota Timberwolves are going to the Western Conference Finals.